Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. This is Yunus Emre Uysal. I'm an aircraft engineering student in Eskişehir Technical University and I am 20 years old. I grew up in Tekirdağ. I lived there about 20 years. It's a beautiful city near Istanbul. But right now, I'm living in Eskişehir. I moved to Eskişehir because of my studies and college. And moving to another state was not easy, but it helped me become a responsible, independent, and confident person. I said independent because right now I'm not living with my family. They are still in Tekirdağ. I'm in Eskişehir. I adapted to Eskişehir quickly and easy, and I think I will adapt to the United States quickly and easy as well. I would like to join the work and travel program because I never been in United States before, and I think it's a great opportunity to do that as a student. I think I will make many friends there. I will improve my language because English will be the only language I will be spoken in United States. I will learn new cultures. I will make new friends from other countries. I will see the world from their perspective, and it will improve me myself. I'm a punctual, I'm a social and hardworking person. I can deal with situations, I can deal with problems easily. I can solve them. And I can talk with people that I don't know easily because I'm a social person and I gained some experience from my last job. About the last job, I worked some factories and local markets in Turkey, about total of 6 months. And I can say that they teach me how to cooperate with my co-workers, work in teams, and make me teach me more social. I think that will be all. Thank you for watching my video again and again. Greetings from Turkey.